Hello all, I am Leena Jyotisi. So today in the NLP part 2, I will cover about the TF-IDF. So what is a TF-IDF? TF-IDF is a term frequency in inverse document frequency. So what does the TF-IDF do? It converts the sentences or word into the vector. So why we need the vector? Because we need a vector to give the computer because it converted into the numerical format that machine can understand. So text is not understood by machine. So this numeric we have to convert into the vector. So TF-IDF is converted into the vector. So we can in the previous video we learned about the backup words. So backup word do the same work as a TF-IDF, but there is some problem with the backup word. We cannot get the semantic meaning of the word. Suppose I am giving one example that first sentence is Ved is intelligent, and second sentence Tithi is intelligent, and third sentence is Ved and Tithi are intelligent. So we in the first, so what does backup word do? It gives the value of in the first sentence the frequency backup word value is for the Ved is 1 and also for intelligent is a word. In the second sentence same, the value is 1 and intelligent word value is 1. In the third sentence same way the intelligent value is word value is a 111. So we cannot get the which word are more important, because there is the same meaning. Ved is the same data value and intelligent is same value. So at the end we cannot get which word is more important, what is the semantic meaning of the word, semantic word. So TF-IDF is come into the picture. So we can let's start with the TF-IDF in detail. So there is a first we calculate the term frequency, then we calculate the inverse document frequency, and then we multiply the term frequency inverse frequency value, and we can get the word frequency of the particular word. So let's start with the term frequency. There is a formula for calculate the term frequency. So as we take the example, first sentence is Ved is intelligent. So with the term frequency is number of the repeated word in the sentence and total number of the word in the sentence. So for the Ved word, we can get the TF value is 1 by 2 because Ved is contained in the sentence is only 1, and total number of the word is for the sentence is Ved and intelligence, so 1 by 2. Okay, and for the Tithi in a first sentence, so we can see there is a no number of the word contained in the sentence. So Tithi is not contained in sentence 1, so 0 by 2, so is a 0. And for the intelligent we can get the value 1 by 2. This is about the first sentence. Then the second sentence, so second sentence is Tithi intelligent, this is intelligent. So for the Tithi for the sentence 2 with for the Tithi we can get the 1 by 2, for the intelligent we can get the 1 by 2, and for the Ved we can get the value 0. Okay, and then sentence 3, Ved and Tithi are intelligent. So for the Ved is value is 1 by 3, for the Tithi is 1 by 3, and for the intelligent is 1 by 3. So this is about the term frequency. Now move on the inverse document frequency. So there is a formula for the calculate the inverse document frequency. So log of number of the sentences divided by number of the word contained in the sentences. So Ved is contained like a log of number of the sentences 3, and Ved is contained by 2. So log of 3 by 2 is a Ved frequency. For the Tithi is the same, log of 3 by 2, and for the intelligent is contained for log of 3 by 3 equal to 0. Now we multiply the term frequency in inverse document frequency. So now we can get the frequency of this word. So for the for the sentence 1, we can get the value of Ved is more than the intelligent. For the sentence 2, word of Tithi's frequency is more than the intelligent. So now we can get the symmetric value of the words rather than get the only the one. So now we can understand which word are more important. So machine can understand which word are more important. So this variable term frequency is considered as a independent variable, and we give to the model, and model do the sum operation and give the desired output. So this is about the term frequency and inverse document frequency. So but there is still problem in the term frequency and inverse document frequency, because we can get the n number of the value like 0 0 0. So it is not understood by the machine learning in some way. So word to vector is come into the picture. So in the next session I will discuss about what is a word to vector. Yeah, okay, thank you.